Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool umbrella right here, and basically what this is a waterproof pet bed that you can use for your pet. So you can see the one that we got right here from a brand called Bedsure. But first I'm going to open up to show you guys what the product looks like inside first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So you can see how the product is honestly compressed inside. Let's take all of it out. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So right here, we see the right guys the cover for the bed, and then for the other side right here is the actual pad that you want to put inside the cover. So the cool thing about this cover right here or the pad is the fact that it is washable. So if there's no machine to wash it, you definitely can. And like I mentioned, the product is waterproof, so even if you guys get water on here, it's completely fine as well. And when I mentioned how the product is waterproof, the inner liner right here is actually waterproof, not this part right here. But let's fully open it to show you guys what the product looks like and how to set it up. So let's open up this one right here first. So the thing about the Bedsure product is the fact that they're always nicely compressed, so that way actually save a lot of space when you guys do get the product. And then for the one that we got right here is a medium size, but they do have this available in like bigger size. So you definitely want to do your own measurement and research to see which one you prefer. Alright, so once you guys open up this part right here, it actually will start expanding by itself. But when you guys feel the material on here, you guys can definitely feel that waterproof layer on here. So even if you guys get water on here by accident, it's completely fine. And when you guys feel the stuffing inside right here, it feels really soft and very smooth, and definitely give you guys that support for your pet. So this is what the inner layer of the pad looks like. Now I'm actually open the cover to show you guys what that looks like, and then we'll put it on. So right here at the cover, when you guys take it out, if you can see right here on the bottom layer, they do have like the non-slip material. So once you guys put it onto the ground, it won't move around. But once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. You may see they actually have a very nice kind of fleece material on here, so that way your pet can feel really warm. And you definitely feel how soft the material is on here. But when you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. So let's put the padding inside the cover to show you guys what it actually looks like once you guys fully set it up. Alright, so once you guys put it in, you guys want to zip it back up. Alright, so once you guys zip it up, this is what the product looks like. So you see the front part right here, we also have the Bedsure logo right here. Bottom part, we do have like the non-slip material. And for the inner layer, like I mentioned, it is like a plush stuffy material. So over time, the product will start to expand by itself, but it won't expand a lot compared to like memory foam material or something. But definitely when you got the material on here, it feels really soft and very smooth. And in terms of the color or design that we got here, we got the gray color, but I do have this available in a brown color as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But that is everything that's on the bar right here. Then I'm actually going to bring this over to my pet to actually test it out to see how it actually looks like and what actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we got a pet bed right here. Let's test it out. Alright, so you see our pet actually like it a lot. And it's big enough if you guys want to put 2 dogs on here. Alright, so you see how it fits perfectly for one of our big dogs right here. If you guys want to fit another one, you probably want to get like a large one. So you see how if you guys want to fit 2 dogs on here, it definitely does work. But like I mentioned, it's better for you guys to get a large size. So that way there's more room for 2 dogs if you guys want to. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully set it up, if you guys put your pet on here. Alright, welcome back guys. So next I'll quick test the product, definitely see actually does work and should work quite well. So you can see when my pet go on top of it, they actually like it a lot because it feels very soft, but they also get that warm feeling once they hop on. And like I mentioned, the one that I got right here is a medium size. So if you guys want something bigger that can fit like 2 dogs or 3 dogs, you probably want to get like a large or XL. But that is everything that's on the bar right here. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality waterproof pet bed that you can use for 1 pet or 2 pets. That has like a plush stuffy material and not like a memory foam material bed. Then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.